Installation. React is designed for gradual adoption. Use as little or as much as you need. Try React.
You don't need to install anything to play with React. Try editing the sandbox, a greeting component that accepts a name prop and renders it inside an h1 tag. Most pages in the React documentation contain sandboxes like this. Outside of the docs, online sandboxes that support React include Code Sandbox, StackBlitz, and CodePen. To try React locally on your computer, download a single HTML page. Open it in your editor and in your browser. No build step required.
Creating a React app.
If you want to start a new React app, use a recommended framework like Next.js or Remix. Frameworks handle routing, data fetching, and the build setup so you can focus on building.
Build a React app from scratch.
If a framework is not a good fit for your project, you prefer to build your own, or you just want to learn the fundamentals, you can build a React app from scratch.
Add React to an existing project.
Want to try React in your existing app or website? You can add React to just part of a page, no full rewrite required. Start small and expand incrementally. Should you use Create React App? No, it has been deprecated. Use a recommended framework like Next.js or Vite instead. Create React App was sunset in February 2025. Next steps. Head to the Quick Start Guide for a tour of the most important React concepts you will encounter every day.